So for the past year or so, I've been on kind of a quest, let's say, in the studio, trying to find equipment that will help me capture a sound the way I want it to sound from the very beginning versus trying to manipulate it later on in the computer. And this quest of new audio technology or old audio technology, however you look at it, has led me into, one, purchasing equipment that I might not necessarily go for, and two, starting to utilize the equipment that we already have in a new fashion. So a good way for us to do this is to start to shoot out different microphones, etc., different pieces of equipment on the same or similar sources to see how it reacts, how it comes together, how it morphs and changes the sound, and if those sounds happen to fit what we're trying to do. The main piece of equipment that has led us into trying out these different sounds is this AKG D12e. This is a vintage kick drum microphone that was used quite a bit. You see the D12 or sometimes the D20 interchanged, kind of known for like the Beatles kick drum thing, but used all over music through 60s and 70s, etc. So we decided to shoot this microphone out against 10 other microphones that you would typically find on a kick drum, including more modern sounds like an Audix D6, into more like vintage or flat sounding things like a Electro Voice RE20. So this video here will kind of break down the differences between each of those microphones so you can scroll through and listen and kind of compare, contrast, and see which one might fit your recording process, your sound, your style better. Now keep in mind this is a single kick drum that we have in our studio. This is a 24 by 14 inch Gretsch kick drum. This is a mahogany wood kick drum, so a little different style. So keep in mind that different kick drum, different tuning, different room is all going to make a difference in the way a microphone's going to sound for you, but this just gives you a rough idea of what a microphone might sound like on a kit you would potentially use to record. Without further ado, let's start listening. Okay, 11 microphones down, and there it is. We went through the shootout. So I'd love to know your thoughts on which one you liked, which one you didn't like, and the reasons why, maybe what microphone you would pick if you were recording a specific sound or a specific style or genre of music. All of these microphones are definitely usable. It really comes down to how you want to use them and in what context you might use them. Again, sonically, depends on the song, the genre, etc. So leave comments below, let us know what you like. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, make sure to follow and hit the notification bell. You'll be notified every time we release a new video like this, and have fun recording.